How do genetic mutations create variation? Have you ever wondered how we all end up looking different from one another? The answer lies in genetic mutations. These changes in our DNA are the building blocks of variation. Let's break it down. Genetic mutations are alterations in the DNA sequence. They can create new versions of genes, which are called alleles. This process introduces genetic variation by changing the genetic information in an organism. Variation is vital because it provides the raw material for evolution and influences hereditary health in families. At its core, DNA consists of sequences made up of nucleotides. Mutations can happen when these sequences change. This can occur due to errors during DNA copying or environmental factors. The changes can be tiny, like a single nucleotide substitution, or they can be larger, involving insertions, deletions, or rearrangements of DNA segments. When mutations happen in reproductive cells, such as eggs or sperm, they can be passed down to the next generation. This means new genetic variants can enter a family line or population. This hereditary variation leads to differences among individuals. These differences can affect traits like a color or even how susceptible someone is to certain health conditions. Mutations can have various effects. Some mutations are neutral, meaning they do not impact gene function. Others can be harmful, while some may actually be beneficial. Beneficial mutations can help an organism survive or reproduce better. Over generations, these advantageous mutations can become more common in a population through natural selection. In the world of family genetic testing and hereditary health, understanding mutations is essential. Identifying specific gene variants can help assess inherited risks for diseases. Genetic testing can reveal mutations that might put family members at risk for certain conditions. This knowledge allows for early intervention or informed health decisions. While genetic variation also comes from the shuffling of genes during sexual reproduction, mutations are the original source of new gene variants. Without mutations creating new genetic differences, populations would lack the diversity needed for adaptation and change. In essence, genetic mutations create variation by altering DNA sequences. This process produces new gene variants that can be inherited. This variation is fundamental to evolution and plays a significant role in hereditary health, making the study and detection of mutations vital in family genetic testing.